Hey, what is going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Yesterday, if you saw the video yesterday on the trades we took, this was the actual drop we had yesterday. Beautiful drop. Then price started consolidating on US 30. If you remember, if you have not watched that video yet, I recommend you just go there first and then come back here so you can understand pretty much what we did. So basically, little quick breakdown here. A few things were going on from the moment the price created this order blocks right here. It created one here, another one here, and the price actually went up activating this. There was a lot of imbalances. Of course, whenever we see a drop like that, there was imbalance here. You know, all these areas were filled up with imbalances. So those are zones that the market eventually needs to come back and cover those imbalances, like it did here today with the CPI data report. As I was saying from yesterday, I was predicting a drop. I was pretty sure that the market was going to continue dropping because everything is still bad. When it comes to inflation, the war in Ukraine, everything is still bad. So I was pretty sure that those numbers were going to be bad. So on that drop that we took yesterday, pretty much just from here to here, that's a nice TP. Just from here to there, it was a really nice TP. Just right there, that's a 400 and something pip, 438 pip or so. Beautiful drop yesterday. So what did the market do? What did it create? Right here, those who wanted to get in again today, right here in this drop, there was an order block created. There was another order block, of course, created in there. And what do you have in this drop? You see a lot of imbalances. There is a lot of gaps, a lot of imbalances all the way down here. So the market needed to correct that, needed to fill up that complete imbalance before actually coming back down and dropping, right? That's what the market did. Pretty much this were the news. And when the CPI data report was released, boom, that thing just spiked up. If you had an order block, if you had your sell limit order right there, most likely got activated and then crashed. However, what happened today? I told my students, guys, I will be watching. I'm not going to be making entries today because I'm still holding. Entries. I was still holding on US 30, on Nasdaq, S&P 500. I was still holding trades even from last week. So I was fine yesterday with this entry that I was still holding. By the time the price pushed up, still holding this thing. So almost stopping me out on break even. Nasdaq did stop me out on break even. I will show you that in a minute. But look at that, as I mentioned, nice drop. Total 1 to 11 risk to reward on this trade. Trading supply and demand, basically order blocks. Beautiful, the huge risk to rewards that you can get with this type of trading, it's incredible. 562 pips in 2 days right here on US 30. Beautiful. Let's go to S&P 500. Again, look at this, beautiful. I was holding since last week this trades on S&P. The market activated this order block at the top. Beautiful order block. Look at this nice clean drop. A lot of imbalances right here that needed to be filled. Of course, a lot of liquidity areas that were placed. We had our BOS and a change of character. Was expecting kind of like yesterday to the price to go a little higher, maybe activating another order block here, or even going to the origin, but it just didn't. It just continued dropping and hitting that, smashing that TP as well. So what happened? Look at that spike. This one, for example, if you would have if you would have placed in this drop, yes, there was also imbalances here. But if you were placed an order block, let's say here, let's say you would cover that entire candle, including the week. Right there, you would have got stopped out with that spike to the upside because it was a much bigger spike. So, and then after that, the price just went down. So that's why I just told my team, and even on the free group, I tell guys, I won't be actually making entries. I'm still holding entries from yesterday and last week. So I will be just watching because I knew that, you know, this CPI data report normally comes with a lot of volatility, and things can get very, very crazy, like it happened here, right? But like at the end of the day, the direction was to the downside. That don't matter about that little fake out to the upside. I knew that could potentially happen, and ended up dropping. So beautiful in there. What do we see? Of course, and now on that drop, massive drop, there is a lot of imbalance formation in here. So eventually, the price will have to cover that imbalance. Now, of course, what else do you see there? This is a potential order block that is formed right here now in this area. So after covering that imbalance, maybe we'll activate the order block and potential continuation to the downside. It's possible. It's very possible. Will it happen today? Not sure. Not sure if it will happen today. What I do know is that, it's been a pretty crazy, 2 weeks? Well, since last week holding this one. And let me show you Nasdaq right here. This one, the spike up right here, did stop me out from the entry I had yesterday. I was holding and had that thing on break even. A lot of imbalances right here that were also filled, then price drop. So imbalance again, and this crash to the downside, we had imbalance. Now Nasdaq seems to have filled that, and now what do you see? Looks like the market did activate this order block right here, at least right now on this 30-minute order block. Now will it react? I'm seeing a 15-minute now candle reaction in there, so it's looking quite nice. Will it continue now dropping or what? My day right now, guys, is over. I won't be trading after all the drops and the sales we had, and I will be just watching. But this is a good looking scenario right now, so let's see what's gonna happen right there. You can even try to spot some type of sniper entry in this position. If you're interested in learning that, you can go ahead and check out my website. You can go to teamprofitsenglish.com. You will see that I'm offering a bundle, and that bundle is coming with my course, a mentorship, and a VIP signal group for life. It's only one-time payment, guys. All that package all in one together, one-time payment. That's all you need. That is a 20% discount. Don't miss it out. And if you are actually new on the channel, please subscribe. I am posting videos regularly in this channel, so you can learn even for free. If you are struggling right now, you can learn for free. There are a lot of playlists that I have right here on my YouTube channel. You can check them out. I'm sure you will be able to get some knowledge, free knowledge in there. All right, if you're interested, just go ahead and check it out, guys. Thanks again, guys, for watching. Please subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.